Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Volkswagen Passat SEL. This one has the 2.0 liter turbo, 4-cylinder. It's a front wheel drive, pure white exterior over Titan black Vienna leather interior, the monster mats and the first aid cargo kit, as well as the 6-speed automatic. Right now I have the headlights slash running lights on, so you can see the exterior lighting. Does look really, really good. Remote start, of course. However, I don't think it works because of transport mode. We have yet to take this one out of transport mode, but all the features still work, so that's good. Passat kick plate. Alright, so you have Fender Premium Audio, this nice wood grain trim. Really, it's an awesome idea having the vent go all this way, so you don't have to put something else there. Soft touch materials. Sunroof, of course. Really, really nice interior. Is this the leatherette? No, it's full leather. It's actual leather, which is good. Do have park assist, well, so-called park pilot. Which it will detect a parallel parking spot. For the car to get itself into. We're going to start off in drive, then work our way down into sport once we get to the back roads. Passat is designed as kind of Volkswagen's middle-of-the-road sedan. Arteon, of course, is their flagship sedan, and Jetta is their smallest. The Passat luxury-esque sedan kind of takes on the Hyundai Azera and that segment of vehicles. .2.0 turbo provides a ton of power, same basic motor that's found in your Audi A4. Total price of this one comes to $32,000 and some change. So very, very good pricing for this vehicle. Puts it nice and square in the market. Braking performance is, it's really good. Another big competitor of this car would be normal midsize sedans such as your Camry, your Lexus ES, cars like that. Price-wise, this is a mid to high level Camry, and this is a top-of-the-line Passat. Engaging sport mode on the transmission changes transmission tuning algorithm, more touchier throttle response, I should say, a little bit more sensitive to the touch. Steering stays the same weight, and gear ratio, well, not gear ratios, but when it changes gears is changed to keep the car in the power band. If you don't like sport mode, want to have a little bit more control, you do have a manual shifting mode. But with the kick down function on the pedal, where if you apply full throttle, you'll feel a little kick at the end of the pedal, a little notch. Once you get past that notch, it downshifts into the lowest possible gear. So for example here, I'm in 4th gear. Say I need to pass someone right in front of me, I just floor the gas. And even in manual mode, it will drop down into the lowest gear. However, if you don't engage kick down, it will stay in whatever gear you have. So only really when you want to will it downshift for you. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and try out Park Pilot, designed completely for parallel parking spaces. We'll see if it can detect a suitable spot for itself. Put it in reverse. It's going to steer you into your spot. And you are in. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.